Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the simplest way to remove vocals from any song. Alright, so here we are in songdonkey.ai, the tool that we're going to use to separate out our song. So it's really simple. To start with, you pick your song, and so we're going to do that. And it uploads very fast, and you've got some options. You can choose what you want to be separated out. So you can choose to separate out the vocals from the background music. And then you have some other options if you want to separate out the background music into different instruments. So we're just going to do the two tracks here, the vocals and background. And you can also choose to output to MP3 or a WAV file. I'll just do MP3 right now. Then we will split the audio, and so it's separating the tracks now, going very quickly, and almost done. Alright, so then we go to this page where we can preview the track, and so we can listen to the original audio. Looks as though they're here to stay. And that's got both the voice and the background music, but then we can listen to the vocals by themselves. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Yeah, so there you can hear it's just the voice. There's no background music. And now the accompaniment, background music. And there, of course, you can hear that the voice has been removed, but you still hear the background music. So that's pretty cool. Now we can go through the checkout process to get the full versions of each track. Okay, so I've put in my payment information and I'm going to click pay. So it's processing. And now we get the confirmation thank you page where we can download all of our tracks. So that comes to us as a zip file, and inside of that are the tracks themselves. So we can move those out of the zip file. And if we play them. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. So this one is the vocals by themselves and the background music. So that's it. You've got your two full music tracks. You've got the vocals completely isolated, and you've got the background music also completely isolated. And it's just really easy to do that with songdonkey.ai. It's a really cool tool for separating out the different tracks of a piece of music if that's something that you need to do.